Yes. And I'm walking around the city. And I am hot. Get out this pillow, guys. That one's pillow. This is my hand, but I'm gonna sit down and I'm gonna rest for a little bit. This is my hand, I'm gonna sit down and I'm gonna rest for a little bit. Trini, come here. Oh, now you get excited. Your mom is already coming, Stewie. Oh, there she is. Don't get too close to the camera. Hey, where are you face? Yeah, Mom. Next time, listen. What? Trini, shake it, buddy. Shake it, buddy. Man, now we're no fun. Trini, wanna be fun? Okay, let's be fun. Come on. Let's be fun. Come on, Trini, get in. Oh, now you wanna be fun, son. Come on, Dad. Oh. Hey, Adriana. Dance, guys. Dance, come on, Trini. Dig. Dobby, no one likes you anymore. Can I videotape you dancing crazy? Trini! Oh, yes, you are. You're so cute. Look. When we get mad at our dog, he makes cute eyes. Stop it! Sit down! Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, no! You can't spoil him like that.
You don't have to sit out. It's okay. You can stand up.
But I don't
Hey, what? Why are you so...
Hello? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we got the dogs inside right now. I'm videotaping them. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Brianna, Granny. Yeah, pose like that, Scooby. Shake it. Shake your booty, shake it, shake your booty, shake it, shake your booty, shake it, shake it, shake it. Where's my Trini? Oh, Trini! Oh, there you are with your little booty. What do? Okay, thank you. Bye.